This is NAVEEN Technical Solutions channel. We have already covered HTML tutorial part 1 and tutorial part 2. In tutorial part 1 we have discussed the basics of HTML. In tutorial part 2 we have discussed the HTML elements. In this part we will learn about HTML attributes. We will see what are the HTML attributes. Why we use these HTML attributes? Where to provide the additional information for that element. To provide any additional information for that HTML element, these HTML attributes are used. And there are many types of HTML attributes are there. We will discuss one by one in this class. First of all, we will discuss about what is the href attribute. By learning this href attribute specifies the URL of the any word or any text, where the link will be given by this href attribute only. I will show. See here, if you open any website, here there na, here contest like button is there na. If you click it, it will redirect to another page. If you click it, it will redirect to another page. This link, this redirecting link will be done by this href attribute. That's why we are using this href attribute. And the HTML tag, the anchor tag will defines the hyperlink. I will show you by example. Open the Sublime text. How to download the Sublime text I have already discussed in tutorial 1 and tutorial 2. I have shown in that video. So please see that videos and also download the Sublime text. You can create a new file, or in tutorial 2 we have already saved a file, HTML file like file5.html. In this also we can do, but some new users will be there now. That's why I am using new folder. After creating, you have to save it. Control S. I am creating file 6.html. Okay na? You already know that what is the basic HTML format. This is the basic HTML format. I am keeping this HTML tutorial. This is part 3 na. That's why I am keeping HTML tutorial part 3. In body part, we will write the link. What is the hyper? What is the how we create hyperlink? Means how we use href attribute. Okay na? I will show you. Please write the, first of all we have to write the anchor tag, where anchor tag is also a HTML element which we use for creating a hyperlink. To create an hyperlink, this anchor tag is used. So okay, go to link. This is a text. I will show you how it will be executed. In this anchor tag, and one thing you have to remember, all attributes will be written in the starting opening tag only. You have to write all HTML attributes in this starting attribute only. Means like this HTML open tag, or like this HTML head tag. In open tag only we have to write this HTML attributes. In this we will write this. What is the attribute? Href na. Href is equal to, we have to write in quotation marks ma. If you click on this link, just you have to save it and open once. HTML tutorial 1, file 6 is there now. I am opening it now by Google. See here, a file is created with the title HTML tutorial 2, and see this go to link. A link is created here. Why this link is created here? We used anchor tag. Why the anchor tag is used? To create any link, this anchor tag is used. If you click on it, it will not redirect because you didn't given any link here. If you given any link here, it will redirect to that page. I will show you. If you want to, if you click here, if you want to open this page, just copy the URL of this link web page and give here href is equal to double quotations of any link in the website. You just save it and go to the Google and refresh it. Now see, when I am clicking this go to link, see how it was redirected. See how it was redirected like that. If you want to any Google page, or if you want to open any link or any page, you have to give that link. No, now I am giving the link, not the direct link, but I want to give another HTML page. I have already created this file 5.html yesterday, so I want to click. When I click this go to link, I want to redirect to this page. So I am giving the link as file 5.html. Okay, now I am just saving it. Cancel it. Just refresh it. Go back. Just refresh it and click on it. See, we will redirect to file 5.html here. Here see, yesterday in previous tutorial class we have created this web page by seeing the all heading tags and something we have created. Now I am redirecting this go to link to yesterday's file 5.html. Today's file what? File 6.html. But when we click that link, it will redirect to file 5.html. This is href attribute. So by this we will use this href attribute. Okay, now next attribute, src attribute. This is very important attribute. Why this src attribute is used? At present we only used text only in the HTML, but I want to display an image in the HTML page. So this src attribute used for display any image in the HTML page. Okay, now see, I will show you how it will be used, and also see how like this href attribute have direct Google link or direct any web page link, and also we will give the another HTML file what we created manually. That link also will given like that only. If you want to, there are two ways to create this src attribute. Directly you can give the Google image as Google image URL, and we can give also downloads URL. If image is there in your downloads, you can give that downloads URL in that. I will show you how it will be executed. Open that Sublime text and come down. See here, I will write image tag. This image tag is also called as an HTML element. This src is an attribute. I want to display any image here. In this page I want to create any web page. So html graphics. See here, go to any images, just click on it, copy image address, come to the Sublime text, just copy paste here. Sorry, copy link address, copy image address, just come to here, just save it. See here how much link it was there for that image. This much link is there for that image, but manually if I downloaded it, see here, just download it, go to that HTML tutorial. You have to download where your HTML page is there, that's like dot save. Have downloaded, go to that. If like this also, if you save it, Control S, save it, just refresh it once, see, then also you will get the image, but you can't write all this URL by copy pasting. That's why I am downloading the image, and see here I am downloaded as number 1. Right click on it, go to properties, see here, this is the URL of the image what you have downloaded. Just copy it, Control C, go to that Sublime text, in that paste that URL, and also write your image ID. What is the format of that image? JPG format na, just write 1.jpg, just save it and go to the Google, refresh it, then also you will get this image. Okay na? By 2 ways also you can write, you can save the image, you can display the image in the HTML page by directly copying that image link here, or you can download and manually you can create, you can display the image. After src attribute, what is the width and height attributes? Why we use width and height attributes? This is very important. See now how it will be displayed. If you see here, if you refresh it, just this much of image is displaying here, but I want to display more image than this, so here I am using the width and height. Then height attribute, width equal to, sorry, present I will only write on this html folder. See here, okay, just see here in Google page, just refresh it, this image is there now. I want to increase the size of this image, so I am using the height and width attribute here. See here, just write width width attribute, just click on it, and width I want 1000 pixel, just for example, and write height attribute, GHT is equal to, write 500. You have to write only in double quotes. Just save it and refresh it. See here, the image size is changed now. That's why to change any height, see here, I want to change this text also. You can change like that by using this width and height. You can change the height of the image or height of the change. You can write. That's why this height tag will be used. See, okay. What is the alt attribute? This alt attribute is nothing but if you have any net issues when displaying the image, if you not clearly seen that image, this alt attribute will be shown as, if you write like this, alt is equal to quotes of, this is the image of flowers, like that I have written. Just save it, just to Google it and refresh it. Here you can't see that alt attribute changes here because my net is very fast, that's why there is no problem in showing the image. If you have any net issues or if you have any version issues, this was Windows 64-bit now. When you use Windows 32-bit or any low version Windows or low version Linux or anything, the image can't support there. When that time when you refresh it, image will not display here, but this alt, this is the image of flowers, this alt written text will be displayed there. Then user can easily understand, oh, this is the image of flower. Like that you can understand the image what there is present. So that's why this alt is used. There is no need of usage it, no need of more use it. Why we use style attribute? This is very important, where color, font, size all will be defined by the style attribute only. Here see, I want to change the go to link style, because that's why I am writing st. I am clicking the style attribute is equal to, then I want to change the color of the go to link. Just click on color and write, I want to change from red color. I just save it, refresh it. See here, where normal black color is changed to red color. And I also want to change the size. I clicking here, just write 20px. Just save it, go to Google. It is already 20 pixel. Now change to 50. Refresh it. Something problem is there. Wait. Okay, just a small I have it on. If you want to change the size, size will be increased. But if you want the change the size of the text, just write font size. Click on just a font size. Click on just something pixel, 50 pixel. Save it. Go to Google. Refresh it. See here. Here link size is changed. Okay na? That's how this is used. Font tag and style attribute. There is font size also like that only. You have to change it. Now what is the lang tag? Why we use lang tag? This is normal tag which we will not use. Why we use this lang tag means in which language you are using. That's why you are using this lang tag. In here, after here HTML, you will write lang is equal to, lang attribute is equal to en, English. If I am writing in English now, that's why I have to write en. This is the lang attribute. There is nothing important in lang attribute. Once again, I am discussing all the points which are discussed in this class. See here, all HTML elements have attributes. Okay, now in tutorial 2 I have discussed HTML elements. That what elements I have discussed in that tutorial 2, that all elements will have the attributes. If there is no attributes, there will not be the more information, will not be much more gain to you. Okay, now where href attribute, why this href attribute used to create any hyperlink? How would we create any hyperlink? By using anchor tag. In anchor tag we will write the href attribute to give URL of the page link where it goes to. Okay, now and src attribute. Why this src attribute used? With the help of image tag, this src attribute displays the image what you want in the HTML page. And also this image and all tags have width and height attributes. Anywhere we can use the width and height attributes. If you want to increase the height of the text or height of the image or width of the text or width of the image, we can use this height or width attributes. Why this alt attribute? If you have low internet connection, or if you have low bandwidth, or if you have low version of the system, this image can't be support to you, then it provides a alternate text for our image. if you see, I have already explained that this is the attribute. Why you use style attribute? To color or to font size and which font you have to write, this all will be decided by this style attribute. A language attribute is the normal attribute which decides the what is the language of the web page. Where title attributes, this is the title attribute where defines the extra information about an element. Where okay, this is not normal attribute. In this class we have discussed all attributes. I hope you understand well. In next class we will discuss about the styles, headings, paragraphs. What are the HTML styles, HTML headings and paragraphs, and we will discuss the information about HTML styles more. Okay na? To get the updates, please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for next videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.